Alright, so I found the motherfucker. Well, the raw bearing that is. That was causing problems. It's this one right here. You can see it move. I don't know if you can see it move, but really don't know if you can see it move, but I think you can. And that's the culprit right there. It doesn't look that bad though, so hopefully I'll be done in about an hour. Hopefully.